This is the true life story of young Kuzi, who later becomes La Kuzi, the demon chief. La Kuzi loves music. He sings with passion. He sings in the church. He sings in the morning and sings in the evening. In fact, he's in love with music. To the extent he becomes a music creator himself. La Kuzi creates a lot in music. He joins the group to sing. He sings alone. He's perfect and good in music. Till one day, he come across a book which was hidden from human not to see by the church. Kuzi come across the book, the two powerful books, the book of Kabbalah and the seventh book of Moses. Kuzi read them. Kuzi started practicing. Practiced a lot till one day he came in contact to fulfill what the books actually says in completing the circle of hell. Kuzi becomes in control of the demon, impossessed as an in control. Kuzi becomes the demon chief. Ego, Kizito, son of the consecratum et benedictum exulum phenomenal in sihi et omnibus sanctus protecti. Dei forti Elohim contra omnes spiritus Jeriquem protectis in nomine Dei Filii Spiritus Sanctus. Amen. Tetragrammaton Syros Anactos Messias. It's time.